Who is this?
Papa.
Oh, that's Papa?
She's one. She's that.
Oh, what's Papa doing?
He's sitting in the bus.
Oh, Papa, you're sitting in the bus.
Is he going to school?
Who's in the bus with Papa?
Grandma.
Grandma. Oh.
He's going somewhere else?
Yeah.
Are they going to Avalon Beach House?
Yes.
Of course.
They going to the beach?
Yes.
What are they going to do there, Joey?
Hey.
They're going to get ice cream? And pizza?
Daddy. Open it. Okay. Oh, that's a slow bus. It's not going very fast.
Is this parked there?
It's parked. Okay. Who else is coming?
This guy. No, these.
Oh, do they have names?
Hey, Mommy.
Who are they?
Here.
Who are those guys? Oh. Oh, yes. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good trip.